Hello everyone, you're in Endurance Laser Lab. Today we are going to show you how you may use LightBurn software. The good thing about LightBurn software is that it supports different firmware. It works with Bandbox firmware, it works with GRBL and Marlin. And the program is good for beginners and professionals. It's really nice tool for laser cutting and laser engraving. So once we open a software, we see a working area, working field. We can change the size of working area. We see different tools here. On the left we see graphic editor. We can make different figures, change them, adjust size, make intersection and different things. For example, we want to create a square with different sizes. Here we can change height and with a quite good resolution. It could be 0.00 millimeter. And once the lock is on, the ratio, once it's unlocked, the ratio can be adjusted. Once it's locked, the ratio remains the same. And you can see that you can change it. Yeah, we can do using percentage, so like 5, 10, 100% or 150, like in our example. We can also position under X-axis and Y-axis. Okay. We can rotate it on an angle we want it, on one or another. Well, let's make a circuit, and now we can intersect, and we have this strange figure. Yeah, you can say that this graphic editor can do almost anything you want while you operate laser cutting and laser engraving. Another big advantage of LightBurn that you can make different layers. So let's make 3 figures, and we have a circle here inside our figure, and we can put it on different layer. So here on the right you see we have layer, and it will be this will be second, and a rectangle will be third. Look, we have this working window on the right, and we can do outline, so it will not fill, but it will just do laser circuit. So laser will just engrave lines, and engraving will be following layers position. So first will be round, then our red square, and then the last one is rectangle. So if you want to change, you can also change them here on the right. And once you select it, it shows that you can see. You can change different parameters, like one fill, and this one will be like engraved will fill. And we change power here. We can change speed, let's say 500 millimeters per minute, and one repeat, one loop, and 100% power. And frequency of the line is 0.15 millimeters, and we want to engrave this our square. Also can be set different parameters here, and power 80%. And then we want to cut it, and we cut a rectangle, a green rectangle. So here on this we change properties here. So the laser power is here. For example, 3mm plywood. We usually use 250 millimeters per minute, 2 repeats, and 100% power. Once you use endurance 10-watt lasers, will do pretty good. Okay, we have a preview, so really good that you can see what you'll have at the end. So we'll show you the virtual process, how it will be engraved and what you'll get at what time. So just very convenient thing. You can see that. So here is just real time, but on our computer, not on real, but on a real machine, but on a computer. Okay, so what do we have? Okay, we have input files, so you can take vector images or bitmap, raster. So we just import file, and yeah, let's take bitmap or vector image. Let's open bitmap, raster, this ornament. We'll put it on the first layer. We already have parameters and power and speed. You can change its sizes. You see sizes over here, or you just can set up the size you want. We can also change color, so you can do fill, or you can do outline. So we have properties here. We can change different parameters over here. Can change fill, black and white. Have grayscale. Yeah, it's different types of how you can fill. So it depends on what laser you have, what your machine options, and then you can also take a look and preview how it will be at the end, and estimate time that would need to make that. So let's see how you can work with import files, and let's import a vector image. We suggest to use DXF format. It's very common and very easy to use and fully compatible. So we have DXF of Nike logo that we want to engrave or maybe cut. It's up to you. So it will be on the first layer, and we already have power 100% and 500 millimeters per minute is the speed. So once we press Ctrl C, we can copy it just the same as in Windows. You can also change parameters, sizes, anything you want. So before the engraving, you can select mode, so where laser will start. It'll start from the beginning or will go home. It also depends on you, and you can see where it'll start. We usually start with a current position, so it means that the laser will start from this point on the left down, and will go up and to the right. Yeah, we just press a button start and you're pretty much all set. So it's very much convenient. So in this video we just explained you very detailed and very basic things so that you can getting started. Yeah, if you just want to explore all functions, it will probably take a few hours to make that video. So if you have any questions, we'll be more than happy to answer. Text me +7 916 225 4302 or email gf@endurancerobots.com, and we'll be happy to assist you. And don't forget to visit our website, endurancelasers.com, and our online store, endurance-lasers.com. Bye-bye.